Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about Microsoft To Do application. It is a task and reminder app. This app is available on Windows, Android, and Mac or iPhones. If you are using any other platform, then you can simply use web version of Microsoft To Do. Simply search for Microsoft To Do on your search engine and you will find the link. And in this tutorial we are using desktop or Windows version of this application. We will discuss about search and other useful features later. For now, let us take a look at tasks interface looks like. Just move your mouse at the left bottom and press New List option. There is also a button besides it, which is used to group the lists, but for now let us focus on tasks list itself. So let us add a new tasks here. We are now creating a simple task. And a task with hashtag, which we will check later in search. Start, or important task. I have created couple tasks here. First we have steps, in which we can add steps we are going to perform to do that task. I am adding couple test tasks. We have added couple steps here. So the first one is Add to My Day option. This will add your task to My Day. Smart list created by Microsoft To Do. Next we have Reminder option. You can just select day and time. Then we have Due Date option. Here you can also select day and time for your due date. And next one is useful one. You can set reminders for repeat. Let us say daily, weekly, monthly or yearly. You can also select days of week and number of repeats you need for rest of options. Next option is Assign To. In this option you can invite anyone with Microsoft account. The next option here we have is Attachment. You can attach your files, pictures with limit of 25 megabytes or 25 MB. Last but not least we have Notes option. You can write extra details about your tasks here. That includes links to websites or anything you want. I am just writing a filler here. You can directly delete the tasks from this delete button located in right bottom corner. Let us take a look at steps. Let's suppose you are done with one step and then another. You can click on Tick option and it will give you a nice sound of tasks done. Let's say you senior had approved your task. You can add this step and put it on top step. Now let's suppose we are done with the task. We can check or click on the tick to make the task shown as completed. The completed tasks are also moved to in completed smart list. Now let us see what is starred or important task. There is a star option right next to the task's name. Click on it. The tasks is also moved to important smart list created by Microsoft To Do app. You have many options to choose from by right-clicking on the tasks. You should explore them. Last but not least we have hashtag option. As you know, hashtags are useful in many ways. One of its uses is search. We can do the same here. Let us explore a search and we will also check hashtag there. As you can see, search is very useful and you can also use hashtags for your ease. Now let's check folder or group option. Simply move your mouse to left bottom corner. Click on New Group option. Name it as per your need. Now you can simply move any list into the group. Just click on List and drag it into the folder. And it's done. So that's pretty much it for this video. We will see you in the next one.